the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from Japan. This is from zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Peyoung ramen. This is like a really old school throwback variety, and it sounds neat. It smells cool, so I'm like all about it. So let's look at what we got here. Oh, 400 mils of water in this one. We've got a sachet with a lot of little bits and pieces going on. Let's throw this in. There goes that. Here goes our noodle block. So this is pre-seasoned. Like you could eat this like candy, I swear to God. And then we've got this little sachet, and I gotta take a peek in it. I think this goes on as garnish, but I wanna make sure. This might just be like shichimi. Let me look in here. Let me look within. I'm gonna throw it in. Well, let me tap some on top. There we go. That's going in. That might be Sensio. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna give this a little bit of a frolic and a flip. There you go. And then we'll lid it. And I believe this is another 3-minute, right? Yeah. So let's do our 3. Man, I can peel these off like nothing. When I was doing all those Chinese varieties that were like, I think like, the beginning of the week, I think I did like 6 Chinese varieties, and they were all like fancy ones that required 5 to 7 minutes each. And that took a while. But yeah, that makes 6 days in a row that I've done 3 reviews a day. I'm gonna try to make it further than that. I can do it tomorrow. I can do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at least. So that would be 12 more. So I might be able to hit 30 reviews. That'd be pretty cool. I'd really like that. Yeah, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday might be tough. I gotta go see the doctor again on Wednesday. Oh boy. I did it yesterday though. I got it hammered out on yesterday. So, but it's only 10:30 now, so it's kind of worked out pretty well. Yeah, I'm enthused. I feel well about it. Looking forward to meeting the new doctor. I was gonna see the guy that I saw in the hospital, but he's not available. I guess his wife is having a baby, so they were like, yeah, he wants to see you sooner, so I'm gonna see this lady doctor. Lady doctor? Oh, she's not a lady doctor, she's a doctor, you know what I mean. Anyways, everybody at the place where I've been have been just like really cool. So, yeah, easy peasy. I just take my pill in the morning and my pill in the evening. It's like THX 1138. Have you seen that movie? I'm gonna watch that pretty soon. We watched a bunch of Matrix Resurrection. It's kind of irritating how much they lean on content from the original movies, because it's like the guy it's like, where's Larry Fishburne? Where's Cowboy Curtis? You know, it's like that guy really made that series. Morpheus was cool, but the guy they got now, it's like, that ain't him. I don't know. We will see what happens. Yeah. I hope it gets better. That's all I can say. I saw a lot of people panning that flick, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, we will enjoy it. We also, what else do we got to watch? She wants to see a THX 1138. That's George Lucas's like first movie. That's from like 71. That's really old. And then there's oh, the prequel for The Sopranos, The Saints of Newark or something like that. Or... All right, let's look at what we got here. This smells like Nissin Chicken Ramen. I'm gonna say that right off the bat. Nissin Chicken was the first instant noodle product introduced to the market anywhere, and that was back in 1958. And that was actually the first instant noodle other than a domestic that I was into. The story goes, here's my story, here's my background story. My mom used to make something very similar to this, cook it, drain it, add a couple of beaten eggs to it, fry it up, and I'd have it for breakfast. She'd make the noodle edges a little bit crisp. And then it went off the market, and then we went to a big Japanese supermarket called Wajimaya down in Seattle. And they were like, hey, he's been having this. They don't make it anymore. What should he try? And they sent me over to the thing, and they gave me the Nissin Chicken Ramen. But while I was down there, I noticed there was a lot of varieties. And that's where I kind of got hooked. So yeah, cheers. And what else we got in here? We've got some pretty decent sized chunks of kamaboko. That's not bad. And we got what's that? What is that? That's like flour foo. It's like square foo. Square foo. So flour foo is like flour-shaped little dry pieces of bread. And yeah, it's nice. It just takes on the flavor of the broth. That's really all it does. There's another piece of kamaboko, but I need a little more here. I don't want everybody to be like, where's all the stuff? I don't want it to hide so much. This one would work very well with egg. So I'm gonna put egg in it. Yeah, classic. Definitely has an old school. Ladies and gentlemen, my yawning daughter. Alright. Time for the Klingon blood oath of holding an egg and slicing it. Here's our eggs. And see, there it is. There we go. See, I'm drying my hands. Pardon me, it's hard to come up with constantly interesting things to say. Oh, I just defeated the whole purpose of moving these things around. Put you out there, put you out. Get up there. Hopefully that's not all over the lens. Man. This, although it's really good, this one I'm like really leaning towards 5 stars on. It's really enjoyable. However, the garnishing aspect of trying to make it look nice is a real pain in the butt. Got that. Shichimi. Got some sesame seeds to go on here. Classy, classic. Wonderful, wonderful. Oh boy. Whoop. There we go. Alright, that's it for me. Another 3 down, 6 days in a row. That's right. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.